Today, we're going to talk about a condition when nearby objects appear blurry. This is often referred to as farsightedness or presbyopia. The good news is that this condition can improve with consistent and proper corrective methods, leading to satisfying results. Have you ever experienced discomfort while reading a book or using your smartphone because the text appears blurry or out of focus? This condition, commonly known as presbyopia, is a natural change that occurs with age. However, it's not solely due to aging. In traditional Korean medicine, this issue is also viewed as a problem of energy flow and balance within the nervous system. If you're interested in learning more tips like this, don't forget to subscribe for future updates. Presbyopia occurs when the lens of the eye loses its elasticity, making it difficult to focus on close objects clearly. This can lead to eye fatigue and overall vision decline. From the perspective of traditional Korean medicine, the health of the liver and kidneys plays a significant role in maintaining eye function. The liver helps alleviate eye fatigue and sustain vision, while the kidneys are essential for preserving the structural health of the eye. Additionally, from the viewpoint of the six energies wind, cold, heat, dampness, dryness, and fire, this condition is closely related to wind and dryness. Wind affects bodily movement and circulation, and in excess can lead to eye strain and vision loss. Dryness impacts lubrication in the eyes, making it harder to focus on nearby objects. The treatment method we'll introduce today involves stimulating specific nerve pathways or meridians. These pathways are targeted to enhance blood circulation around the eyes and restore balance within the body. By also stimulating meridians connected to the liver and kidneys, we aim to address not just the symptoms, but the root cause of this condition. Now, let's move on to a self-treatment method using acupuncture techniques, specifically San, acupuncture with a ballpoint pen. The details are at the end of this video, so make sure to watch until the end. During treatment, focus on stimulating points on the opposite side of where you feel discomfort or pain. If you're unsure, you can treat both sides without any issues. Continue this practice for 1 to 2 weeks consistently. You'll likely see great results. If any discomfort arises after treatment or persists, simply reverse the method for relief. There's no need to worry. While we'll introduce 4 acupuncture points for treatment, if that feels overwhelming or inconvenient, focusing on just 2 points will still be effective. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like these. Thank you for watching until the end. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the head. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the nail. 1, 2, and 3 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen clockwise 9 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment. Press the tip of the ballpoint pen gently on the point in the picture. Tilt the tip of the ballpoint pen about 45 degrees toward the toenail. 1 and 2 are 1 set. Turn the tip of the ballpoint pen counter clockwise 8 sets. You have done for this point treatment.